What is up, you guys? Jungle Jesus here at Wild Animal Safari in Stratford, Missouri. We're so pumped because we are going to be taking some of these pumpkins out on the drive-through area. We're getting exclusive access to hang out in the zoo director's back of her truck. And we are going to go pumpkin chunkin', y'all. We're going to throw these off and see which species of animal likes the pumpkins the most. There's elk, there's zebus, there's camels. They've got zebra out here. So we're going to see which one wants these leftover pumpkins from Halloween. They said, you know what, the spooky season's over, we're good. They said, you know what, Halloween was the other day. We're gearing up more for Thanksgiving. Who's gonna get a pumpkin?
The ostrich.
The ostrich, you say? Oh, hey girl. All right. Nice.
Bo should be fine, but he does tend to get like all up in your business.
Come on. Stand up for us. I'll give you one more sitting down because you're so good. Thanks. Hi. Hello. So if you know me, I love getting distracted. And on our pumpkin chunkin' adventure, I decided I had to check out Bo and Gypsy because they're my favorite here on the drive-thru. They're being so gentle today. Usually they're very spicy. They've got plans of their own, and they don't want to even wait for me to feed them out of the bag. They just want to grab the bag and go. They're more of a drive-thru operation. Perfect. I think we got, even if like,
Donkey.
yeah, even if the main thing was like us getting this, like,
Right,
this is perfect, yeah.
The elk. So the white bison over here, the female, 180, her tag's 185.
Uh-huh.
She's probably one of my favorites. And she really likes to be all up in everybody's business whenever there's food involved. She's practically a camel.
Gypsy, it's good to see you. You can take this. Bye. Check it out. That's what we got.
She's just 180.
How old do you think she is?
She's 2010. So you're 13, girl.
She's 13.
13. She was hand raised by a local person, and they got to a point where they couldn't have her anymore. So her and her daughter came to live with us.
That's sweet. Check it out.
She was going ham on it the other day. I think that might be our pregnant girl. We got one baby. There you go, say that right.
We got plenty. Ready? So here to our left we have a common eland who is possibly pregnant. She's chowing down on those pumpkin remains, loving it. This is not only a form of enrichment, but it's a great snack with great nutrients. There's seeds in there, There's the goop. Everything in there is something that is going to be great for them to digest. Something kind of different, a little different than their normal diet. We got another common eland coming up in here. Let's see if he wants a pumpkin. Ready? There we go. That one split straight in half. That was perfect shot. It looks like they're all trying to politely pick out of someone's candy bowl. Oh, look at him. Look at her. She's trying to tear off a piece. It's like when my tortoise Bean tries to tear off a piece of collard greens that's just attached too much to the stem. This is perfect. They're loving it. We're so pumped to be here with the common elands, and we have a female elk here as well. They're chowing down on some of these remains of the pumpkins from Halloween. It's a great enrichment for them and also a great snack. We're going to toss them one of these yellow pumpkins and see if they like this better, the orange pumpkin better. We've also got some pumpkins that are kind of warty here, so they've got options, and let's see what they like. Here you go. Ooh. Checking it out, maybe. A little leery of it. Oh, she said that's mine. There's enough for everybody.
You're so funny.
That was so much fun, you guys. Pumpkin Chunkin here at Wild Animal Safari. It was definitely a surprise of which animals that liked them the most. I think it was definitely those common elands and the elks. Definitely thought that the camels were really going to enjoy it, but they definitely kind of stayed away from it. But this has been such a fun, spooky season. We've had a lot of great times this Halloween, so thank you for joining us, and make sure to tune in next time. See you guys. Nice. I just took the mics off, otherwise I'd say something else. Girl, we ripping and whipping.